I will show you how you can achieve the goal that you set using SMART method. Now, S stands for specific. Your goal should be clear and easy to understand. In order for you to set the right specific goal, a few questions you can ask yourself. Number 1. Why are you creating the goal? How will it make you feel when you achieve your goal? How will you reach the goal? A common goal like get healthy is too general. There are so many ways to get healthy. How do you want to do it? Is it losing weight? Start exercising? Stop smoking? Break it down and it will be easy to manage. For example, I will lose 5 kg by 30th of December 2016 and I will work out 3 days a week. Now everything is much more specific. The next one, M, stands for measurable. A goal needs to be measurable. I feel great. Having lost weight doesn't really mean anything at all. How will you track your progress and how you will know when you have reached your goal? Making a goal measurable means adding a KPI. How many kgs? How many body fat you want to lose? Be specific. And A stands for attainable. A goal needs to be attainable too. Before you set your goal, you have to know whether is your goal achievable or not. While it is always good to shoot for the stars, but you need to be realistic. Likewise, a goal that is too easy or too extreme will not be very motivating. Of course, only you will know your limits. A good benchmark to lose weight is about 1 to 2 pounds a week with adequate exercise and dieting. And next, R stands for relevant. Set goals that are important to where you are in your life right now. A goal that can change your current life. A goal that doesn't make any impact to your life, doesn't make any sense to you, and you won't put effort into it. Don't set a goal that someone else is pressuring you to attain that isn't very motivating. Examine your goal so far. Does it seem relevant to you? Is the outcome is what you want? Is losing a 5 pounds could help you in getting more confidence? Or is losing a 5 pounds can help you to improve your life? If so, keep doing it. If you are not concerned about weight loss or this is not a good time in your life to focus on that, choose something else that is motivating to you. T stands for time. You need to include a time. You need to include an endpoint. Knowing that you have a deadline motivates you to get started. Since healthy weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week, set your deadline accordingly. For your example, we can use 3 months. I will lose 7% of my body weight in 3 months' time.